Hello everyone, I heartily welcome you all to the Success Square channel. Today we will be discussing the West Bengal Judicial Service Examination Prelims Paper 2020. पहले पार्ट में हम लोग ने 50 तक डिस्कस किया. आज हम लोग डिस्कस करते हैं 51 से. So let's start that. Question number 51. Find the odd one out. The correct answer will be triangle. 52. Which bank joined hands with three insurers to provide individual short-term Corona Kavach policy? The answer would be Canara Bank. Find the missing term. Careful, cautious, boastful. The answer would be arrogant. Which state secures top spot in Scotch State of Governance 2019 ranking? The answer would be Gujarat. The answer of Koyna Hydroelectric Power Project is located in Maharashtra. Find the odd one out. Goat, dog, puppy, buffalo. The answer would be puppy. International Youth Day is celebrated on. The answer would be 12th August. Viruses are not responsible for. The answer would be malaria. Satyajit Ray received an award in 1967. Which was that award? The answer would be number A, Maxey Award. Rubber is obtained from latex. What is India's rank on UNDP Human Development Index 2019? The answer would be 129th. Right of privacy of Indian citizens is protected by the Constitution. Under which article? The article would be Article 21. Question number 63. Find the missing number in the series. The answer would be 17. National Education Policy 2020 emphasizes to set up which fund? The answer would be Gender Inclusion Fund. Harappa is on the bank of left bank of Ravi. Harappa is on the left bank of Ravi. Question number 66. Name the first bowler who will be conferred the Arjuna Award for the year 2020. The answer would be Ishant Sharma. In which country Zulu folk dance can be seen? The answer would be South Africa. Question number 68. In which year former President late Pranab Mukherjee was awarded Bharat Ratna, the highest civilian award in the country? The answer would be 2019. Thailand announced that it has proceeded to test its novel coronavirus vaccine on which animal or bird? The answer would be monkeys. Late Kamal Rani, who recently expired due to COVID-19, was the cabinet minister for technical education in the state of. The answer will be Uttar Pradesh. Question number 71. A proclaimed person whose property has been attached can claim the property or sale proceeds on appearance within 2 years of attachment. Question number 72. Which section of the Limitation Act 1963 provides for the extension of time over that period during which a person is delayed by the court's action? The answer will be section 4. Question number 73. Limitation period for suits not specifically provided under Schedule to the Limitation Act 1963 is 3 years. Question number 74. Rule of strict liability is contained in Ryland versus Fletcher's rule. Under Section 8 of the Evidence Act, motive, preparation, conducts, all are included. So the answer will be all of the above. Question number 76. Article 33 of the Constitution of India empowers Parliament to, what will be the answer? The answer will be to modify fundamental rights in relation to the armed forces. To modify fundamental rights in relation to the armed forces. Question number 77, the provision of section 195 of the CRPC are mandatory. Question number 78, section 79 to 85 of the Indian Evidence Act contain rebuttable presumption of law. Question number 79, preliminary decree can be passed in a suit for partition, for partnership, for possession and means profit. So the answer will be all of the above. Question number 80. Article 30 of the Constitution of India guarantees the right to establish and administer educational institution. It is available to all minorities based on religion or language. Question number 81. Find the correct answer. A Sunni Muslim can make gift of her entire property. Laying of trap is a part of the investigation. Court can condone the delay under section 473 of the CRPC. Section 76 and 79 of the IPC provide the general exception of mistake of fact. Question number 85. Basically, tort is a species of civil injury or civil wrong. Question number 86. Section 97 of the IPC extends the right of private defense of property to the offense of misappropriation, criminal misappropriation. Find out where the Hindu law does not apply. It does not apply to the illegitimate children of a Hindu father by a Christian mother who are brought up as a Christian. Question number 88. A Muslim woman can create waqf when she attains the age of 18 years old. Question number 89. Which is not ancestral property? To find out which is not ancestral property, first we have to know which is ancestral property over here. All property inherited by a male Hindu from his father is an ancestral property. All property inherited by a male Hindu from his father's father is an ancestral property. All property inherited by a male Hindu from his mother is not an ancestral property. So correct option will be C. And the D which has been given, all property inherited by a male Hindu from his father's father is an ancestral property. So correct option would be the number C. Question number 90. Which of the following sections prescribes the method by which signature can be proved? The answer will be the both A and B, that is section 46 as well as section 45. Question number 91. Right to lodge a caveat has been provided under section 148A of the Code of Civil Procedure. Question number 92. It is mandatory for the police officer to inform the person arrested the grounds of arrest and right of bail if the offense is not non-bailable under section 50 of the CRPC. Dower under the Muslim law is a personal property of the wife and she can appropriate it wherever she likes. Question number 94. A minor's agreement is void ab initio and cannot be ratified. Question number 95. A contract is not frustrated by commercial impossibility. Question number 96. Pleading has been defined in Order 6, Rule 1 of the CPC, Code of Civil Procedure. Question number 97. The offense of public nuisance is punishable under criminal law or criminal proceedings. Question number 98. Section 8 of the Limitation Act 1963 imposes a limitation on the concessions provided by Section 6 and Section 7 of the Limitation Act 1963 to a person under disability to a maximum of 3 years from the cessation of disability. Question number 99. Legal disability contemplated by Section 6 of the Limitation Act 1963 providing for extension of the period of limitation does not include. So Section 6 क्या क्या include करता है पहले हम लोग को ये जानना चाहिए. Section 6 इंक्लूड करता है माइनॉरिटी, इंसेनिटी, आइडियोसी। तो इंसॉल्वेंसी इंक्लूड नहीं करता है सेक्शन 6। सो द करेक्ट आंसर विल बी सेक्शन ऑप्शन नंबर सी। Question number 100. In a written statement, the defendant can claim both set off and counterclaim. So the correct answer will be both A and B. That's it. Thank you. हम लोग नेक्स्ट पार्ट में डिस्कस करेंगे 101 से।